PyMuPDF is a Python library that allows you to create, modify, and extract data from PDF files. In this video, we'll be working with pages. First move, then delete, and finally duplicate a page. This is the PDF document that we'll be starting with. It contains 2 pages. Let's start by moving a page to a different position. Once we've imported PyMuPDF, we can open the target document. The first page has the position 0, it will be moved to position 1 using the method movePage. Once the modified file is saved, we can close the document. This is the modified document. The page order has been changed. Let's open the original PDF document again. To delete a page, use the delete page method and input the target page number. The modified document will also have a new file name. This is the modified document. As you can see, it only contains one single page. Let's keep working on the last document and duplicate its single page. Using the method fullCopyPage, the page is duplicated. This is the resulting document. It contains 2 identical pages.